Imagine waking up to the sound of your alarm clock, only to realize that it's not just any ordinary day. Today, you're on the verge of unlocking the door to financial freedom, and real estate is the key. This might sound like a dream, but leveraging real estate wisely can turn that dream into a reality. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the top 10 ways you can leverage real estate to supercharge your financial growth. 10. Reinvesting profits, the snowball effect. Starting at number 10, we have one of the most powerful strategies for long-term growth. Reinvesting profits. Instead of cashing out, use the gains from your real estate investments to acquire more properties or explore new opportunities. This creates a snowball effect where your wealth grows exponentially. Picture David, who began with a single rental property. By reinvesting his profits into additional properties, his portfolio expanded and his wealth multiplied. Keeping the momentum going allows your investments to work for you and accelerates your financial growth. 9. Buying undervalued properties. At number 9, buying undervalued properties is a savvy strategy. These are properties priced below their market value due to reasons like foreclosure or seller urgency. By purchasing at a lower price, you gain built-in equity and the potential for significant returns. Consider Emily, who specialized in finding undervalued properties in emerging neighborhoods. Her knack for spotting bargains allowed her to acquire properties below market value and achieve substantial gains once the market corrected. This approach leverages market opportunities for financial growth. 8. Real estate crowdfunding. Number 8 on our list is real estate crowdfunding. This method allows you to invest in real estate projects with a smaller amount of capital by pooling resources with other investors. It's like joining a group to fund a large-scale real estate venture. Imagine Alex, who wanted to invest in a large apartment complex but lacked the capital. By participating in a real estate crowdfunding platform, he became part of a collective investment effort. This approach offers a way to leverage real estate investments without needing substantial upfront capital. 7. Short-term rentals, Airbnb, and beyond. Coming in at number 7, short-term rentals are an exciting way to leverage real estate. By renting out properties on a short-term basis, like through Airbnb, you can often charge higher rates compared to traditional long-term rentals. Think of Emma, who purchased a vacation home in a popular tourist destination. Listing it on Airbnb allowed her to generate substantial rental income during peak seasons. Short-term rentals offer flexibility and higher returns, especially if you choose desirable locations. 6. Leverage with commercial real estate. At number 6, leveraging commercial real estate can be a smart move. Commercial properties, such as office buildings or retail spaces, often have longer leases and can provide stable, higher returns compared to residential properties. Consider Michael, who invested in a small shopping center. With multiple tenants and long-term leases, he enjoyed a consistent income stream and property appreciation. Leveraging commercial real estate diversifies your portfolio and potentially achieves higher returns. 5. Flipping properties. Buy, renovate, sell. Number 5 is flipping properties, which involves buying distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. It's like transforming a rough diamond into a sparkling gem. Take Lisa, an interior designer who saw potential in a rundown property. She renovated it and sold it for a profit, using the gains to invest in another property. Flipping can be lucrative if you have an eye for potential and are willing to put in the work. 4. House hacking, live for free. Coming in at number 4, house hacking is a fantastic strategy for reducing living expenses and building equity. Purchase a multifamily property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income can cover your mortgage or even provide extra cash flow. Meet John, a recent college graduate who bought a duplex. By living in one side and renting out the other, he lived for free while his tenants paid down his mortgage. House hacking leverages real estate to build wealth while cutting living costs. 3. Use real estate investment trusts, REITs. Number 3 on our list is investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Investing in REITs is like buying stock in a real estate company. Let's say you're a young professional with limited capital. By investing in a REIT, you gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of properties without managing them yourself. REITs offer a way to leverage real estate on a smaller scale while still benefiting from potential high returns. 2. Start with rental properties. At number 2, starting with rental properties is a straightforward and effective strategy. Purchase a property, rent it out, and let the rent payments cover your mortgage. Over time, your property appreciates, building equity and providing a steady cash flow. Consider Sarah, a teacher who started with a modest rental property. With a small down payment and a mortgage, she collected rent and watched her property appreciate. This classic approach leverages rental properties for long-term wealth accumulation. 1. Understanding leverage, the basics. Finally, at number 1, understanding leverage is the foundation of all these strategies. Leverage is using borrowed money to increase the potential return on investment. It's like using a lever to lift a heavy object. With just a little effort, you can move something much heavier. If you buy a property worth $200,000 with a $40,000 down payment, your leverage ratio is 5 to 1. This means you control $5 worth of real estate for every dollar you invest. Understanding this concept is crucial because it's the bedrock upon which all your real estate strategies are built. There you have it, 10 powerful ways to leverage real estate for maximum financial growth. Whether you're a novice investor or a seasoned pro, these strategies offer diverse pathways to build and multiply your wealth. Remember, real estate is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of real estate, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights and strategies. Until next time, may your investments be prosperous and your financial goals within reach.